Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, CF Industries Holdings Incorporated just filed an 8K report, and I'm seeing one key point about their upcoming earnings call. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing is mostly a heads up about a presentation they will be using, but it hints at their upcoming financial discussions. So what we have here is a current report filed by CF Industries Holdings Incorporated. These reports are used to announce major events that shareholders should know about. The earliest event reported here is the 5th of August 2026, which is the date this report is being filed. This specific filing is pretty straightforward. It's essentially letting the public know that on the 6th of August 2026, the company will be holding a conference call to discuss their results for the quarter that ended on the 30th of June 2026. The important part here is that they are attaching a presentation to this filing, which will be used during that call. This is a common practice, giving investors a preview of the key information that will be discussed regarding their financial performance. When we look at the exhibits listed, we see Exhibit 99.1. This is the presentation itself. It is dated the 5th of August 2026, meaning it was prepared just before this filing. The other exhibit, 104, is the cover page in an interactive data format, which is standard for these filings. Now, while this 8K filing doesn't contain the actual financial numbers that will be discussed on the call, it tells us when and how we can expect to get that information. Based on the recent news, CF Industries Holdings Incorporated did have their Q2 2026 earnings call on the 6th of August. So this filing was indeed a precursor to that event. News headlines mention strong first half EBITDA, which suggests they might have had a good quarter. The filing is signed by Andrew T. Scribner, who holds the important title of Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. This is the person responsible for overseeing the company's financial health and reporting. Looking at the broader context, CF Industries is in the agricultural inputs business, a sector that is crucial for global food production. Companies like this can be sensitive to commodity prices, weather patterns, and global demand. With a market capitalization of over $17 billion and a price-to-earnings ratio of 8.7, it has been a relatively stable performer. Recent news shows some stock movement, with shares down on the 3rd of August, but also some institutional buying reported on the 5th of August. Major holders like BlackRock and Vanguard continue to have significant stakes, which often indicates a level of confidence in the company's long-term prospects. The main takeaway from this particular filing is simply that it is a notification about their upcoming earnings call and the presentation that accompanies it. It signals that the company is about to release its financial results for the second quarter of 2026. The risk I'm watching is how global supply chain issues and geopolitical events might impact their fertilizer production and distribution costs. My biggest concern is always how volatile commodity prices for natural gas, a key input for fertilizer, could affect their margins. What I'm actually looking for in their next full financial report will be details on their production volumes, sales prices, and any updates on their capital expenditure plans to maintain and expand their facilities. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more. Join our Discord community linked in the description for deeper discussions.